Hey guys, welcome back to the other interesting video. In this series, we are at episode 7, and today we're gonna do the modeling of this part. With the revolve, extrude, and rib by utilizing the different options, we're gonna try to create this model. So, without wasting much time, let's get started with a new part. Let me try to open Solidworks and here we are. So let me explain before, like, I'm gonna create a revolve, and then it's gonna be an extrude by going to selecting a mid plane, and then I'm gonna create a rib feature of the other three. So this is a two main view, like this is a side view, and this is gonna be a top view where we made a section of AA and also a BB section over here. Now we gonna create by keeping this all dimensions. I'm gonna create the same. So let me start with a base sketch so that it will be easy to create all the models. Like I'm gonna create a complete side view or a front view of this same. Okay, let me start like by creating a front line. Yep, and then I'm gonna create a center line. I have missed this. Guys, please do subscribe while watching the video if you are new to my channel. So it's gonna be a boost me to create a lot of stuffs similar to this. Yeah, that's my plan, and I'm gonna create the same kind of stuffs over and over again. Yeah. So let me start with the 40 by this is a radius, like 40, I mean a diameter, and 208. So I'm gonna create this, and we have blue dimensions. So let me try to get the section so it's easy for us to get. Okay, so let me start from here. Try to create, yeah, something like this, but it's not required. But why can't we make that center rather than creating all like let me delete this. I'm gonna create a center. Let's see. Yep, this is my revolve, and I'm gonna create a 40. uh, okay, make sure I will be using yep. This is gonna be inch last time. Yeah, 40. Yes, and this gonna be at 108. I'll try to maintain center. Yes, try to bring it closer. And there are a couple of dimensions like of 25 by 6 and 20. Okay, great. So I'm gonna create 25. This is a 20, gonna be like this, again this, and this. Yep, later we can trim, or like, yep, maybe we'll trim now. I'm gonna delete. I'm gonna make the dimension like 20, and this gonna be a 6. Okay, for 25, and this gonna be a 6. So how are we going to arrange this? Like I'm gonna make a symmetric over there, but let me first make sure 32 and 28. So in between we need to remove the material. Okay, like let me stop over here, and also I'm gonna create a, so in that case what we are gonna do is, like, here we'll make 32 first, and here we're gonna be 38, and this I will rush through. Yep, yes, perfect. And again, this both are at same, so we'll select this both as lines and make it as an equal. So now all the complete sketch is defined. uh, Now we're gonna create this profile. This is gonna be a rib, but we need more over this. Yeah, so let me try to create this first. Or maybe, yeah, friend, as we discussed before, we'll try to create all as much as all the sketches over here. So let me make this, and also I think it's close to this. No, I think we have missed out. Yeah, this two should be a near each other. Yeah, and this could be a 12, and we'll try to maintain the same for both. Equal. Yeah, perfect. And this both has to align each other. Like I'm gonna make a near. Yes, perfect. So 3 and 10. Okay, makes sense. Like, yeah, from this it should be 10, not from the top. Yes, from the top it should be 10. But in this case here, if you see, it should be a 3, I guess. Okay, okay, that is for this rib. Okay, 3. Not for this. Okay, now it's cool. So now, for from here, this both sides are 3 mm. So try to maintain the same. Like we will try to move this, and gonna maintain the 3 mm. Yes, perfect. So almost all the dimensions we are covered, and we'll try to maintain all this stuff over same. Try to align the dimensions. It won't be a meshy later. Yep. So almost all we covered. So now, what could be, from the center we have 100. So this is gonna be 100 for us now. Yeah. So now we're gonna create this profile. So 68, 12, and 110. Okay, perfect. Yeah, this is gonna be like this, and it should be, yes, perfect. So let me make a straight. Yes, so this all, this both are equal to be, and I'm gonna make a 12. So this two should be collinear, already made collinear. Yes. Oh, sorry, yeah, fixed. I remove. Yeah, this two should be collinear, and this is the dimension 110 or 68, and from this height we'll maintain 110. Okay, so again from this to this 12. Perfect. Or you can use equation equal to, like this, dimension, and okay, select equations which are equal to each other. So if you want to try to maintain a different or same wall thickness throughout the part, you can use the equations to maintain all the dimensions. Yeah, perfect. So next could be an option where we need to add ribs. So 3 mm. So yeah. So now the challenging is like 6 mm we have from the top. It's not a big deal. So one thing is like this rib has to be connected with this here. So we'll try to connect, and same, similarly we'll try to connect and try to maintain some 1 mm, something like that. Yeah, because yeah, here we have 3. So try to maintain 3 first, and then we'll go further. And 38. Okay. Okay, this and this. It should be right. Since I made a radius, me up here at 3. I understand, but again 3 mm here. Okay. 3, and from here to this face it would be 38. Yes, should be 38. Perfect. And also I would like to have a rib. Yes. Okay, let's try to make here, and similarly we'll try to make it from the top. It's supposed to be like this, but we can try to make a rib or something like that. Yeah, we don't have dimensions. Okay. From overall we have covered all the dimensions. Now we are gonna create a region to make a revolves. So first let me try if it's possible, if it comes by selecting the counter. So we'll make, yeah, so now we have two ports like where we can make a revolve. And now I'm gonna enable this sketch to show. I'm gonna create another profile like by going to select yes, front extrude, and I'm going to select again this part. Yes, and I want to remove the then feature, create a midplane so that it will distribute at both sides from the center like 110. So 110 was the dimension which we have to maintain for this extrude cut. Oh, sorry, extrude. Yeah. So now it was clear. Yeah, perfect. So now then we gonna create a plane, or like the face we gonna use this, and I'm gonna create uh, one thing like I will convert entities. I'm gonna create this profile from this edge to the edge to make a connectivity, and also from this midpoint to the edge over here. So I'm gonna remove the material some, I mean, on the sketch entity, to maintain all three areas to be covered and one to be opened, to create a rib of 12 mm. So I have to be created on the one side. It should be at 12. Yes, perfect. So yeah, but let me see if it's get created. Like select body, it has to be selected at the both sides. So in this case it was quite tough to create. So in the way I will create a closed loop. Now we'll try to make the body to combine each other. It's gonna be a 12. Other side I'm gonna make blind and I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna select OK. Perfect. So similarly I'm gonna do the same thing by just moving this over a linear pattern. So try to understand one thing, like what is the distance you have. So from here to here is 38. So like you can select the linear pattern and it's the same direction. I just want to flip it in this direction. So I'm gonna make the T8. Oh, sorry, 38 plus 12 plus 3 plus, yeah, plus 3, and again plus 12 of the bottom thickness. So it will try to match over here. Okay, I think -3 is not required. Something is wrong. Okay, in order to get that better, up to reference, we'll select the reference, not select OK, not sorry, better will measure by using evaluate, like to calculate. I want this distance from here to here, it's 63, or from here to here it's gonna be 51. Okay, 63. Perfect. So now all the body is being combined. So now we have an option to make a rib. Let's see, let's give a try. I'm gonna select OK by having a sketch, and I'm gonna select this feature, convert entity. I'm gonna use a rib. Yes, 6 mm. Perfect. Similarly, for again, gonna use the same thing, gonna use the sketch, convert entity, and I'm gonna use refuture, gonna flip this, and I want to combine all these three region. That okay, oops, since it got opened, it was not ready to combine each other. There was an intersection which is coming over here. Yeah, so else you can, okay, since they made a part over here, let's give a try in the same sketch, convert entities, and I'm gonna make a different profile now. I think it's quite tough to me. Yes, yeah, I'm supposed to be create a profile somewhere like close to this. Please do comment if I'm doing something wrong over here. So which the region is missing over here. I supposed to get a red profile. Why not? Why not here? Okay, let's give a try. To me here it will not allow, definitely. Let's give a try. Fail to create rip, I know that reason. Exactly, so we'll try to remove the sketch. It's not required no more. One thing I observed is like, should I move slightly 1 mm or 0.5, something like that, to create a rip? Should I move? Should I move slightly? It was at center. If not, then why? Now give a try. I don't understand. Then this is not a problem. Got it. This is because of this. Like, if not, then we have to make slight difference over there to create a sketch, something like that, and to create. Okay, so like I will try to make sure this. Yeah, and now we have area to create. Okay, fine. So like let me hide the sketch. I know we have got the center we have to create. Okay, by selecting a front plane again, I'm gonna create entities to cover up. Let's see. Let's see. Good. Gonna hide the sketches. Perfect. So now only thing is like we have to create a fillets. Fillet there's not there, but we can give some random fillets to create some. And also we have a hole options where we have to give 16 hole and 20, this is a dimension. Okay, that can be done. Like from the top view, like we'll try to create a whole wizard. So making the position 1 2 3 uh, 20 50 and 80. Okay, so from here it's supposed to be a 20, and from this point to this point it's supposed to be 50, and here how come the 110 can be a 55? It should be a 7. From the center to this edge it should be 80. Okay, great. So 1634, this 2 are 16, this from this face to this face 34. So I will try to merge this to, I mean not merge, I will make a vertical each other. See, as per the dimension which I have given, but it looks like it's supposed to be at center, the way it looks. See, but the overall it was like, it was 110. This is where like I'm a bit confused. How come, or we have to make a little offset or something like that? It's supposed to be 100. So yep. Wait, 110. Okay, there's a 5 mm offset. Okay, got it clear. Yeah, that can be changed over here. 1 second, let me see if possible we can modify the dimension according to that. It's not a 110 from the center, so we'll try to maintain a blind at one side, and the other side we'll try. So 60 and 50. Yeah, so this also can be done. And now from the center, if you see, yes, 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 and we'll make a 16 hole. That's what they said. Like we're gonna make a drill option. And 16, I'm gonna select. Yes, I'm gonna select now. Okay, so this is how it looks. Perfect. So now we can done, and also you can use fillets to maintain the component as per the image. Yeah, 5. Yeah, looks good. So hope, I think we have covered as per this. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and please try to watch the other interesting videos. So I will meet you in the next episode of interesting component. It's gonna be a tough or something like that easily, or we'll try to cover up in the next section. So until then, bye from Shapeit. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. Bye bye.